Alright, take three. Okay, so me and my friend got into an argument about My Little Pony because we made custom characters, and I'll show you those really quick if I can get here. Ah, damn it. Hold on. Share desktop. Okay, so here's his character. His name's Solar Flare. He's orange, the hooves and everything. We use General Zoi's creator, as you can see. He's got the normal wings. He doesn't have the Princess Celestia wings or anything. So he got in a little argument over me when I showed him mine, which I've got. They still look proportional. He's got a bit longer legs. He's slightly bigger than other ponies. Other mares, so to speak. But he's got the bigger wings. So he got in an argument over me because he said only the princesses and maybe princes, since there's only Prince, is it Bluehoof? I can't remember exactly his name. But yeah, basically what he says, I can't have those because I can't have those. Basically what he said is that eventually down a bloodline, it will disappear due to genetics. And what I was trying to prove against him was that in genetics, eventually the right scenario is going to pop up where they'll come back. So I made a chart. It's not the best one right now, and this is just the start of it. But it is to it is to support my theory. This is the Brony King, just letting you know that. It is to support my theory that indeed you can get the wings. So all I have currently, if I go from the right side, is if it's a capital A, they get normal wings. And that's just how it is. It's a dominant trait. If it's just an A, like the lowercase, they get the Princess Celestia / Luna wings, or the bigger ones. If it's capital B, it's a normal horn, just like the rest of the unicorns. If it's a lowercase b, it's a bigger horn. And everyone can, if anyone knows who Gregor Mendel is, he used to do this with pea pods. And it was through constant rebreeding of plants and everything that he would test out the genetics of each plant by saying if he got the trait, it was a dominant trait. And he would basically map out which ones were popping up more as a dominant trait. Dominant trait is basically if it goes against another trait of the same type, and the other one is popping up less, is known as a recessive trait. I don't remember the exact lesson I've learned from years ago in high school. Or was that grade school? I don't remember exactly. But basically, what I'm trying to get is that if it gets a capital A and a capital B, so it has both of them and they're both dominant, that I would basically put that they're just an earth pony. It means that they've got the genes. I don't know exactly. I was trying to do a triple chart, but the only problem was, though, is that I had it over here. Jesus, that's weird to do. I had over here that it was either you got neither of them, or you kept whatever traits that you got in the list. But I only had it over here for just this. For you were only getting 2. What I needed was a C in every chart. So actually, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back to where it was. Instead of redoing it, I'm going to put it A in a lowercase c, so he gets the 1, and an A with the lowercase, B with the lowercase c, so it gets the 1. Then I'm going to do the same thing for this, A with a capital C, and a B with the capital C. So what I'm looking at is that it might actually cancel out completely, but with a constant chart, it might be able to dissipate back into the system. Because as long as the genes are there, they might exactly cancel out. I'm just thinking about it in terms, because there's no way that another princess can't show up. I mean, it's not exactly possible. Like Princess Celestia is great and all, but eventually there's gonna be a new princess, or in my case, a pony that just has the big wings, or a pony that just has a big horn. And I actually have an example of the big horn as well. It's basically a pointed horn. It's more outwards, so to speak. But yeah, look forward to my next video on pony genetics. All right.